Okay, this is very scratched. This is not really wearable. It's horrible. And now let's use this resin. It's a car glass resin repair. We must drop, let a drop distribute on the entire screen, and then place this plastic, transparent plastic sheet over it, and let the magic begin. We must clean the surface with this quasar glass with alcohol. It's very efficient and not too pricey. Well, okay, and okay. Now a drop of this, and we distribute the liquid on the entire surface of the screen with this I don't know, like I don't know say it in English. In Italian is stuzzicadente. Okay, now let's do it. Just a few drops. Close it and try to distribute it over the surface. Okay, it's not enough. Another drop. This is a precious liquid. It's very pricey. Okay, you can see it with your eyes that the scratches magically disappear. Okay. Now it's in liquid form. You must harden this, and you can harden with UVA, with solar light. Now we are in winter and there is not much sun, but even the light outside in a winter day is sufficient. Now let's place this over it, and the surface tension will do leveling. Okay. And now let it dry outside. Well, it's very foggy outside, but I think the light is sufficient. We place this here. Okay, and I think in a few minutes the trick is done. Well, very different. Okay. See you later. Well, okay, it's not foggy, but there is very, very little sun. Okay, let's take a look. I think it's okay, and we can remove the plastic thing.